Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on making a 3D text in Photoshop. So let's do it. So let's take the text and take Burbank big condensed, make the font a little bit smaller, type. Let's type Fusion because that's what our channel's name is. Yeah, double click it and let's make it a little bit bigger. Move it. So now we press Ctrl J and duplicate this layer and we move it a little bit here like this. Yeah, like this. Now we double click this and go to color overlay and make it a bit of dark orange like that, and we rasterize this layer style. Yeah, now we take the polygonal lasso tool and fill out the gaps like this, like the empty gaps like this. So we fill it out by doing and shift and backspace. So you see it's been filled. So we keep doing this for everything. Shift backspace and OK. Then up here, shift backspace and OK. Shift backspace and OK. Up here, shift backspace and OK. So as you can see, this looks like a 3D text. So we have to do this step for every letter. Shift backspace. Shift backspace. There's no need to correct an O because it's just a circle. There's no edges. So we can move on. So as you can see guys, our 3D text is done. So thank you for watching the video.